All right, so I was supposed to have a shoot today, but I'm still waiting on confirmation on that. So I decided that I'm just gonna say no on that. And the move is taking apart this, I don't even know how old it is, JVC recorder.
Dude, I don't even know how old it is. The first thing that I want to do is I want to see the sensor in this thing, because I've already kind of broken it.
Let's take it apart. So I work at a camera shop, and we had like a garage sale, and this was like what, $5?
Yes.
So
$5.
Dylan came in and grabbed it. We don't know if it works, but
No way this thing works.
there's a possibility.
It's not gonna work if I throw it out the window.
So I took off like a whole bottom plate to it, and it just kind of opened up. It just opened up to another bottom plate. So we have like 8 layers to peel back. You seem like you're getting discouraged.
Not at all.
All right, we've given up on doing this, so I think it's going in the trash.
Yep.
Do you have any oppositions?
I do not.
Are you sad?
Very.
Okay. Well, let's get something good out of it. So, cinematic sequence. Feel?
Accomplished.
Do you?
I do.
Is that how you explain that? Because,
Well, if I use any other words that I'm actually feeling, it'll get flagged on YouTube.
we didn't get it apart fully. We did it to our best abilities.
This thing shoots 4K 60.
Does it?
Yeah.
Does the iPhone really shoot 4K 60? Step it up, Sony.
4K 60.
Jesus Christ. Step it up, Sony. I'm sick of this shit. Having to record at 1080. I'm not peasants out here. I'm also sorry that we didn't get that camera taken apart fully.
That's okay.
But to make up for it, I'm gonna go get macaroons.